Facebook app keeps stopping or crashing or not working on your mobile. If you have any problem like this, then this video is for you. To solve this problem, first of all, you have to open your mobile settings. So here you go. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now you can see there is a search icon at the upper right corner. Tap on this and search Facebook. So I'm going to search Facebook. Now select your Facebook application from here. Now scroll down a little bit, and from here you have to choose storage. Tap on this. Now you will see the two options at the bottom. One of is clear data and other is clear cache. First of all, you have to click clear cache, and now tap on clear data. Now hit OK, and yeah, our work is done. So let's prove it. So I'm gonna open my Facebook application again, log in my Facebook account, turn off. Now you can see that my Facebook application opened smoothly without any problem. So I hope you understand the full video. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.